How to lose weight fast. 1. Simple diet. 2. Exercising to lose weight. 3. Making an eating plan. 4. Doing weight loss treatments. Tired of carrying around those extra pounds? The best way to lose weight and keep it off is to create a low-calorie eating plan that you can stick to for a long time. If you just want to drop a few pounds fast, there are plenty of techniques and tips you can adopt to help you reach your short-term goals. 2. Scroll down to step 1 to learn more. Understand that you may not lose more than a pound or 2 per week, however. Method 1. Exercising to lose weight. Make time for exercise. Exercising might actually make you gain a few pounds of muscle when you first start, but it's an essential component of any long-term, sustainable weight loss plan. Regardless of how busy you are, it is essential that you make time to exercise each day if you actually want to lose weight and keep it off. Even little things like walking instead of driving to the store can affect how quickly you lose weight. 1. Before you begin, use a measuring tape to measure your waist, hips, and bust. If you are gaining weight but these measurements are going down, it means that you are gaining muscle and losing fat. Exercise while doing chores. Make as many trips upstairs as possible, walk the dog 3 times a day, and dust, sweep, and mop with vigor. Increase the amount of walking you do. Choose the stairs over the escalator and park as far from the store as you possibly can. Start a hobby that involves moving around a bit, even if it doesn't sound like exercise. Gardening, building small projects, working on cars, or playing with animals are all great ways to burn calories. 2. Try out a circuit training program. If you are trying to lose weight quickly for a particular event and don't care about keeping the weight off, you can try a condensed workout routine. Many women's and health magazines as well as personal trainers offer similar condensed workout routines designed to maximize weight loss and visible physical slimming within only a few days of beginning the regimen. 3. Be realistic about the type of exercise you can do when starting a new program. If you are hoping to lose weight and keep it off, you will have to do more than a condensed fitness program. The best way to get into exercising is by picking exercises that you are actually going to do and, hopefully, enjoy. If you hate running, don't make it your main form of exercise. You will need much more motivation each day than if you picked an exercise that you actually enjoy. Instead, try out different exercises until you find a few that you really love, like swimming, biking, or even Zumba. Remember that games like volleyball, tennis, and even frisbee can help you burn calories while having a blast, making exercise a social and fun activity you will want to enjoy every day. 4. Take up cardio training. While a combination of cardio and resistance training are important for overall body health, cardiovascular training is what will help you shed those pounds quickly. Weight and resistance training do not lead to immediate weight loss but can trigger your metabolism to use energy more efficiently. Muscle cells are more metabolically active than fat cells. This means that they burn more calories than fat cells, even while you are resting and sleeping. 5. Keep your exercise regimen interesting. Variety is the key to both promoting a healthier you and keeping you motivated. When you do the same exercise day in and day out, you put yourself at a higher risk of injuring yourself. You are also more likely to become bored, thus making it harder to find the motivation to keep exercising. While at the gym, switch between machines, join a fitness class, and add some resistance training into your schedule. 3. Perform low-impact aerobic activities. Moderate aerobic workouts incorporating brisk walking, cycling, aerobic machines, or swimming not only burn calories, they also keep your heart healthy. 6. Choose workouts that require your entire body to exert an effort. This way, you work every muscle group and burn calories with more muscles at one time, like multitasking with your exercise. For instance, combine a form of resistance training, try raising small dumbbells overhead as you work, with your arms while you jog or cycle with your legs. 7. Get enough rest. Being properly rested will help you maintain sufficient energy throughout the day, making you less likely to overeat and less prone to injury during physical activity. Sleep deficiency has actually been linked to an inability to lose fat, so getting enough sleep can really help you on your path to losing weight. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos.